So the reason why the car didn't start before is because this light never chased. Like, chasing is when it like starts here and like loads up. It never did that because it's not detecting the battery. And the reason why it's not detecting the battery is because this battery is below 2 volts. Like, it's extremely dead. The car hasn't been driven in over a month now, and it's just way too dead for the auto detection to work. So this button right here is a manual override button. She said hold it for about 3 seconds. She, as in the YouTube video I just watched, and make sure that the clamps are secure. Now, this is an ultra safe booster. However, once I do the manual override, it won't be ultra safe anymore. So that's a little scary, but these look properly secured. Yep. Proper secured. Yep. Still not chasing. This is powered on, so we have to do the override. My hand is ashy. Okay. I'm scared. Okay. Override. Oh, shit. That's scary. Oh, gosh. Oh, it's working now. Okay, stop. Where my keys at? Hold on, let me find my keys. And it worked like a charm. It started right up after I finally got it to stop beeping like crazy. Oh my God. That was scary. But like, I'm talking about no clicks or nothing. No. I'm talking about I put the key in and it just turned on like nothing never happened. Like nothing ever. Okay. I need an oil change. But okay, Ultra Boost works. Now, to be safe, she said make sure you turn it off. Turn it off. It's off. No more LEDs right here. And disconnect the clamps. One hand. Hold on. Okay, so Ultra Boost works very well, works amazing, works great. I love it. And then with a full battery charge, you can get up to 20 jump starts out of this. So just keep it in your car. Also charge your phone. It's charged with Type-C, which is the new iPhone charger or whatever. And it has a flashlight feature for nighttime. So this is very handy dandy to have. I love it.
GB40. This is what you get in the box. And you got USB out, USB in. Let's see what they look like. And then on this end, jumper cables plug in there. Plug your jumper cables in there. Hit the power button. You should be good to go. I've used this a couple times to jump start cars and no issues yet. It's got the job done every time. Use it on the boat to charge GoPro batteries, etc. For the price point, it's going to be hard to beat. It's going to keep you stranded in case you do have a faulty battery by some chance. Eventually, I think everybody crosses a faulty battery. Anyways, you hit the button, cut it off. I just throw it in the box, throw it in the book bag that I carry around with me in case anybody ever needs it.
Okay, here I am in the Toyota 4Runner, and we're gonna try to start it. Nope. Battery is done. So we're gonna come around here, and we got the NOCO Boost Plus. We're gonna give it a try. Got one hooked up, and hook up the other, and we press. So I got those two hooked up in the right spot. Press this, and now we're gonna try to start it up. Let's see. There we go. Excellent. So, all that to say that the NOCO Boost Plus is a fantastic buy, and you should get one.
As you can see, battery is dead. Completely dead. We done put it on. We got lights on the inside. Alright. Hold on.
Let me see on the other side.
Oh my fucking gosh. It jumped the joint. As dirty and messed up as it was, it still started. I'm so sorry. 5 stars.